Hi guys, in front of me Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone gallery, then mark the contact that you want to personalize, select Info, and now click on Edit. Click on camera icon, which is for profile picture, and as you can see now, you can add the profile picture either from your gallery. You can choose one from AR emoji. You can grab a picture right now by tapping on camera, or you can use one from those GIFs, just whatever you prefer. Let me choose, for example, this one, and now click on Save. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, it is added to Bobby. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.